Hi guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp catalog. So one of the things I want you to know, you could intentionally use your WhatsApp catalog to improve your sales and marketing strategy for your brand. All right. So, but this particular video will show you how exactly you can list your business offering or offers or whatever information you want customers or first-time prospects to find about your brand in the WhatsApp catalog feature. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to get more exciting videos like this. So let's jump right straight in. So we launched the WhatsApp business app. Next, you click on Tools at the bottom right. Next, you click on Catalog. Okay, next you click on Add New. You could also add a new collection, but we're focusing on just one item. So we'll click on Add New Item. Okay, so next you click on Add Photos and Videos. So we click on that, click Select Gallery, then we select this, then click on Good, then click on Send. Next, you input the item name. So we call it Profitable Google Ads. So Profitable Google Ads Services. We leave price. You can also add price if you want. Sales price, we also skip this. We're just going to add description. So we paste this. All right, so we select your region. So we leave it at Nigeria. Click on More Fields. So you could also type apart from pasting for the description. So after selecting your region, or you leave it if you're okay with the one it showed. So next, you click on More Fields. Input a link. We're just going to paste this link. Item code, we're going to skip it since it's optional. Then you can decide to hide this item for the meantime, or you allow it to be published. So then you click on Save. Once you click on Save, it's going to go into review because Meta has to approve it, or WhatsApp has to approve it before it goes live. So you can see this sign here means pending, something like a clock. So this is what I'm going to click on it again so that you see what we just worked on. So that is all. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this. See you in the next one. Cheers.